What's up guys, Soldier Knows Best here. What is this 5G you hear everyone talking about? If you guessed that it's better, faster, and more responsive than 4G, well, you guessed right. And now that we're in 2019, 5G is a reality and 5G is here. A big reason why this is true is because the Qualcomm Snapdragon mobile platform is powering virtually all of the best 5G phones coming out these days. Right now, you may typically stream live video at 720p or 1080p, but on 5G, you can consistently stream 4K live video on an impressive display like the one on this phone from Sony. And for my sports fans, you can watch your favorite baseball team using multicam streaming on the Samsung Galaxy S10 5G and see a baseball game like you've never seen before. That's because this phone uses 5G millimeter waves, which can give you top speeds of multiple gigabits per second. To put that into context, this is faster than the average broadband connection in homes in the US and similar to what you can get with fiber. For my fellow gamers, you can have access to your favorite console or PC titles wherever you are while using your favorite video game streaming service without having to worry about delays because 5G gives you ultra low latency. This phone from ONEPLUS is on a 5G connection and the performance is amazing. When you're ready to play with others, multiplayer gaming is also possible on 5G with this phone from Oppo or this Axon Pro 10 5G from ZTE. When it's time to get to work, 5G makes multitasking more powerful by feeding data-intensive apps faster with a phone like the LG V50. Now you can download a big presentation in a few seconds and collaboratively edit it and take notes while you're on a video call with colleagues in another city, either using one big display or even two on this phone. Now, even though the speed of 5G is high, the price of a 5G device doesn't have to be. With Motorola, you can easily add 5G to their Moto Z3 phone with their 5G Moto mod. Then you have Xiaomi, who is selling their flagship Mi Mix 3 5G phone at a price that is less of what you pay for many 4G devices. Navigating, downloading, and gaming are all now more robust. And if you like recording and sharing high-quality video with your phone, 5G helps you do that even faster. 5G really defines what it means to be a premium smartphone this year. And if your device has the Snapdragon mobile platform in it, do know that it's the real deal. 5G is here and now. To keep up with news on these products, head over to digitaltrends.com/5G.